Test operation. Drainage. For water drainage inspection, lift up the front grill as shown. Pour some amount of water into the drain pan. Note the water discharge from the drain path at outdoor side to confirm drainage functionality. Test operation. Indoor unit. Plug in the power and operate the unit at cooling operation using high fan speed for 15 minutes or more. Measure the temperature of the intake and discharge air by using the thermometer. Make sure the difference between the intake temperature and the discharge is more than 8 degrees Celsius. Now, the installation has completed.